In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create PDF invoices using Shopify by installing a specific app designed for this purpose. If you've ever found yourself tangled in the web of managing your Shopify invoices, you're not alone. Many users seek efficient ways to generate and manage PDF invoices seamlessly, and this guide will provide that solution. Let's dive into it. First, let's start at the very beginning by heading over to the Shopify website. If you're not already familiar with Shopify, this is your one-stop shop for building your online store, managing products, and now, with our help, handling invoices more effectively. So open up your browser and head to shopify.com. If you're not logged in, make sure to enter your login details to access your dashboard. It's always a good idea to ensure you're logged into the correct Shopify store, especially if you manage multiple accounts. Next, let's move on to the Shopify App Store. This is where the magic happens, as we'll be using a special app to handle our PDF invoice creation. Once you're in the Shopify interface, look for the link or menu option that says Shopify App Store. Click on it, and it should take you to the wide selection of apps. This is where the Shopify community offers additional functionalities and conveniences for your store. In the search bar of the App Store, type in Vify Order Printer PDF. This is the go-to app for straightforward PDF invoice creation. Why this app, you might ask? Well, Vify Order Printer PDF is known for its user-friendliness and efficient service, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced Shopify users. Now, once you've located the app, you'll see the option to install it. Click Install. The installation process is pretty intuitive and quick, but make sure you allow any permissions the app needs to function properly. That's crucial for smooth operation. Once the installation is complete, this app will allow you to create PDF invoices directly from Shopify. It integrates seamlessly and keeps things simple so you can focus on what matters most, your business. And there you have it. You're done. By following these steps, you have now equipped your Shopify store with the added capability of generating PDF invoices. It's a straightforward process, but one that can significantly enhance your invoicing and ordering system. Remember, taking advantage of tools like this within Shopify is essential for maintaining an organized and professional operation. This setup not only saves you time, but also brings a level of professionalism and efficiency to your business operations. With everything set, you're ready to efficiently manage your invoices and impress your customers with professional PDF documents. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.